Python with Mishal Khan. My name is Mishal Khan and I've been teaching since 2014. I've taught in different schools and colleges. I've taught mathematics and computer sciences both. Through my YouTube channel, I mostly help my students for their mathematical work. But this time I'm bringing up something from which anyone around the globe can take benefit. So we are going to be learning Python, and I'm going to be uploading my videos on a weekly basis, and at the end of each and every video there's going to be an assignment, a small project related to that video which you need to practice. So first let's just see what is Python, and then we'll also learn that why are we using Python and why not any other language, like why I'm not starting from any other language and why am I starting from Python right away. So Python can be used on different you can use it to create web applications, you can use it on the server side, and you can also use it along softwares to create great workflows or to connect your database systems, and by doing so it will also be able to read and modify your files. Python can be also used to handle big data and perform complex mathematical operations, and you can use Python for rapid prototyping, for production ready software development. Now the question is, why to learn Python? First reason is that you can use Python on different platforms, so like Windows, Mac or Linux. And secondly, Python has a very simple syntax. The way like you code it and the rules of coding it, that is very similar to English language, which makes it very easy to learn. And the syntax of Python allows coders to write programs with very less number of lines of codes as compared to some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. So that way prototyping can be very quick. And you can treat Python either as like in object-oriented way or functional way. If you don't know what that means, let's see. Now, who is this course for? This course is for absolute beginners. I will walk you through all important concepts. So no need to worry if you haven't done programming before. This course is perfectly designed for you. Alright. See you in lesson number 1 then.